Hey folks, so I'm going to do a Camellia unboxing. I bought this from a person on Etsy, Camellia Art Garden, if I recollect, and they're near Asheville, North Carolina, so it should have arrived very quickly, but it took longer than expected. It was expected to arrive on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. It arrived yesterday, and now I'm unboxing it, so we're going to see how well it is. Now, what's nice about this seller is these are seed started, so they have a good root system versus if they were vegetatively propagated where you have to wait longer for the roots to develop and be established. So let us see how well this is. Now there we go. So here we go. And it's still a nice, happy plant. I'm going to have to water it, give it some light, and let it recover from being in a box longer than expected. But look, it's still alive. It's still happy. And I've tried growing camellias a few times. I'm not the best at it. So I'm hoping that I'll get this one to survive. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Thanks for watching and happy planting.